For into English sentence chi rang rang thu soi tum in angreng si midangin anlo mana kan hriat pol lo nan thei ang from khomin an en ho leang wo. It's difficult a harsa hle mai thil harsa takani tinan kan mang thrina chuan is tough, is challenging, is doubting, is quite hard going ti te in aman le thei bokani. How are you? Idamem itramo tinania chuan what's up? How's going? What is it going? How have you been? Ti te in aman le thei ani. I like kadu kangaina tina ni lea. I'm fond of. I'm a big fan of. I'm crazy about. I'm passionate about. Hemi tehi aman le thei ani. I don't like kadu lo kangaina lo tina ni le mea chuan I'm not fond of. It's not for me. I'm not a big fan of. I'm not crazy about. Ti te in aman le thei ani. I'm tired. Ka chau ka ha tina ni le a chuan I'm beat. I'm wiped out. I'm exhausted. I'm fatigued. Heng te hi I'm tired ti tluk pui chi ania aman le thei ani. You are welcome. Keipo kalome tina ni meya hei hi chi sang sangin asoi le thei ani. Anytime. No worries. Pleasure is mine. It's my pleasure. Don't mention it. Ti te hian aman le thei ani. Hurry up. Man mo ta che tina ni le mea chu shake a leg. Get a move on. Snap it up. Step on it. Ti te khan aman le thei vek ani. Stupid. Mol choi kan ti khania. Full. Idiot. Silly. Brainless. Ti ten asoi le thei ani. Climb down. In phan hiam te pangai te khai tinan kan mang thrina khatiang chi sentence la chuak le nge. Relax. Chill out. Cool down. Take a deep breath. Ti te hi aman le thei ani. It's boring. Nin kham tina ni kan thre thu mo me hei chu. Chuan it's dull. I disliked it. It bores me to tears. It's not my cup of tea. Hetiang te hian aman le thei ani. It's hot. Lum ve lum lutuk tina ni le mea hei hi. It's roasting. It's burning. It's steamy. You are in the dark days of summer. Tin kan soi le thei ani. I'm hungry. Karila tram lutuk tina ni le mea hei hi. I'm starving. I have an appetite. I'm hungry as a wolf. I'm freaking hungry. Tin asoi le thei ani. Take care. In enkol tharo tina khani mea hei hi. Be careful. Be cautious. Put yourself first. Stay out of trouble. Tin asoi le thei ani. I'm angry. Kathinarim kalung oilo tia kan lung oi lo kan thin rima hian I'm angry tia in damn it I'm fed up with it get out of my way what a nuisance tin kan soi le thei ani I will support you ilama ka tang rengang itan ka ding ve se lang tiang thu kan soya kan mandon hian I'm here for you I'm still cheering for you I have got your back count on my support heng te hi aman le thei ani I want kadu kacha tia thil kan soi don hian I feel like I'm dying for I really fancy I'm in the mood for heng ho te hi aman le thei ani You're so beautiful email thalutuk tiang anga mi nal lutuk mail tha moi tia kan soi du hian You look gorgeous You're stunning You're so adorable I love the way you look heng te hi aman le thei ani Well done ti tha hle mai ti thalutuk he tiang anga mi thil ti that kan fak du hian in That's great excellent fantastic I appreciate that heng te hi kan mang le thei ani It's great a thalutuke tiang anga tha hle mai tha tak ani ti kan han soi don hian superb marvelous it's awesome that's the best ever ti hi kan mang le thei ani Do it tiro tichin ve reng reng te tia mi thil ti tura kan han fui don hian go for it give it a try no one's judging you what are you waiting for ti te hi aman the ani Happy birthday pian cham hin lom puina kan thian te kan hanin wisdom hin happy birthday kan ti deu tlang pui thina khatiang kluk pui thau si a san dewa wisdom kan da lenge Many happy returns of the day all the best on your special day I hope you have a fantastic day I wish you a wonderful day heng te hi aman thei vek ani